handicapped and old people to cast their oath and got honorarium of 161 members, got 1 lakh above, and appreciation by the district collector and SP madam. And our and we are conducting a number of national webinars from botany department. We are conducted 9 national webinars and 78 online quizzes. The one main webinar on intellectual property rights by Dr. Togarapu Praveen Kumar Garu, the second topper in intellectual property rights knowledge person in our country. He is working in CSIR, Institute of Materials and Minerals Technology, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. And one certificate course which is mushroom cultivation, that is increase entrepreneurship development in students, across the students. And from commerce, IQAC, Department of IQAC and IDC, we are conducted 7 national webinars and 3 certificate courses. One is consumer protection, second is rural development, and third we are starting intellectual property rights today. And EDC, from Entrepreneur Development Sense, we conducted awareness program on agro-based products, making of agro-based products and marketing. And through faculty forum, we are conducted awareness programs on ICT tools training program and immunity boosting medicinal plants during this pandemic COVID-19. And through consumer cell, we have conducted consumer rights program, consumer awareness programs. Through women empowerment cell, we conducted national webinar and awareness program on legal rights of women by our Honorable District Judge of Jagichar. And through Eco Club and Telangana Haritaram programs, we have conducted lot of plantation programs, clean and green programs, and vermi compost pit and water conservation programs. And through from Urdu department, we have conducted an international quiz and a certificate course, maiden certificate course in the government. Our college is started by Urdu department, that is journalism course. And through commerce, we have conducting through 2 certificate courses in tally and taxation. And we have our TSKC department, we have conducted national webinar on edutainment habitudes on futuristic education in collaboration with Task Headquarters, Hyderabad. And Task 2 days conducted a 2 days training program on essentials in Python programming language. In Jagichar district, first time in our college, we have conducted Mahindra Pride program by Mahindra Soft Tech company in communication skills. In this pandemic, TSKC of our colleges conducted regular webinars and 21 quiz programs and 4 awareness program and 3 skill development program to our students. For this academic year 21-22 also, we are striving and doing campaigning for UG admissions improvement, and we are going to NAC reaccreditation second cycle in September 2021, and we are participating in the NIRF ranking process also, and we got ISO certification, ISO 9001 2015 also. We have to motivate we are motivating our students to strengthen their knowledge base and improve their talent. And most of our students got 48 students got BD students, 12 students got PG students in Usmania University and reputed universities. Through TSKC, we are planning to conduct training programs on new market demanded computer languages like data science and machine learning also. And on today's program, intellectual property rights are very newly emerged topic. That is, we have to protect our rights, and we have to take a patent, and we have to market them, and we have to gain the economic opportunities, getting economic and income opportunities. And thank you one and all for this giving this opportunity. Thank you, Madam. Over to Kaur Madam. Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the things the College for Women Jagtial is doing in a wonderful way. You have enlightened the new appointed VC, sir, because is under the leadership of VC, sir, now. So hope sir has got the knowledge of our college. Thank you very much, sir. Now it would be an immense pleasure to call upon the principal of Government Degree College for Women, Karimnagar, Dr. T. C. Lakshmi ma'am, under whose leadership even I had the opportunity to work. So I really feel very happy to welcome you to address this gathering on this auspicious occasion. Ma'am, it's over to you.
Yes. Thank you, Harjot Kaur. So, good morning, one and all. So, respected and honorable Vice Chancellor of Satavahana University, Karimnagar, Professor S. Mallesh Garu, Chief Guest of today's online certificate course on intellectual property rights, and Sri M. Srinivas Reddy Garu, Principal FAC, GDC Women Jagityal, course coordinator, Dr. Harjot Kaur, and in charge Department of Commerce, Dr. Lavanya of GDC Women Karimnagar, Sri M. Satya Prakash Garu, in charge Department of Political Science, and members of Commerce departments, and all the participants of this online certificate course. So I extend a warm welcome, and it is a privilege for our college as well as the GDC Women Jagityal to invite Honorable Vice Chancellor as a chief guest to this online program. Sir, I at the outset I thank you for giving your acceptance to act as a chief guest and enlightening us in this program. Thank you, sir. So during this pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic situation, so all the faculty members, so they have transformed their teaching method from blackboard teaching to blended teaching or blended learning, and they are actively participating in taking online classes through Zoom platform or Google, Cisco, WebEx, etc., all the available platforms. And they have transformed to online teaching mode, and they have conducted various online classes, updated their video lessons in YouTube through various links, and also they could achieve and overcome this pandemic situation by conducting even the exams in online mode, by taking Google links. And also our college, Government Degree College for Women, so we have conducted even online drive program, and 24 students of our college have been selected in ICICI Bank, and also Dhruvant Solutions, 14 students. So it is a great achievement for our faculty members and the students, as they could achieve even drive programs in this pandemic situation. So even faculty members have actively participated and conducted various certificate courses in the month of April, and course in yoga, self-defense karate program, communication skills from English department and TSKC, and employable skills like mobile phone repairing, and also various certificate beautician courses have been conducted, and we are also planning to conduct employable skills certificate course and eco-friendly certificate course on jute bag making, etc. And today, with the collaboration with GDC Women Jagityal, we could conduct the certificate course in intellectual property rights, so which is a very relevant topic for commerce students. And recently, as per CCE instructions, we have started EDC Club also, Entrepreneurship Development Cell. And for these students and commerce students, the present online certificate course is very, very useful. So it is a privilege for me to introduce about our college to our honorable chief guest, Sri Professor Mallesham Garu, so in virtual mode. So, sir, our college, GDC Women Karimnagar, was established in 1973, and it is extended in 9.5 acres of land. And it is one of the most prestigious women's college in the state of Telangana. And regarding admissions, during the last academic year, we stood in 15th position in the state of Telangana. And we have a very good result track of above 75%. And during the last academic year, our outgoing result is 90%. So I'm very glad that our faculty members could achieve 90% of results for the college even during the pandemic situation. And infrastructure, laboratories, well-developed library, physical education department, and well-developed TSKC cell. All the basic amenities required for the women students. And also our college has been elevated as a model degree college under RUSA in the year 2016. And I am very glad that we have received 4 crores of funds from RUSA, and also we have successfully completed the RUSA fund. And due to RUSA fund, we could develop our infrastructure and also ICT based equipment in our college. So our college is under the surveillance of CC cameras, and we have transformed to biometric mode of attendance marking, and also we are using e-office in our college. So all the transactions are done through e-office. So all the faculty members are highly educated and highly experienced faculty members. So we are having 32 regular, 14 contract, and 6 guest faculty members. And apart from the UG, BA, BCom, BSc, English medium and Telugu medium, we are offering Urdu medium also for BA students. And under PG, we have 4 courses, MCom and MSc Botany, Zoology and Chemistry. So we are also extending our education, imparting education to PG students also who are from poor economic background. So with a good admission strength and good results and all the innovative methods, so we are marching ahead to keep our college in good position in the state of Telangana. So I congratulate both the departments of commerce, IPSC of both the colleges, GDC Women Jagitial as well as GDC Women Karimnagar, for taking initiative in conducting this very relevant certificate course on intellectual property rights for commerce students. And it is very much helpful for entrepreneurship development cell students also. So I also congratulate the students who got enrolled in this certificate course, and I hope this certificate course becomes fruitful. And I also request all the students to go through the this certificate course with utmost attention. And I have seen the course details also. So they have included all the relevant topics that are present under IPR, like patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets, etc. So definitely this will become a successful program. So I once again thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Mallesham Garu, for accepting our invitation, sir. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Over to Kaur.
Thank you, madam, for the wonderful report of GDC Women Karimnagar being presented towards Professor Mallesham, sir, the Vice Chancellor of Satavahana University. I just want to add one thing to you, sir, that both the institutions are ISO certified institution under the leadership of our Commissioner Naveen Mittal, sir. It gives me immense pleasure to read the profile of none other than the VC, the my Professor Malay sir, who has adorned the chair of highest category under higher education system in this region under the purview of Shatavahana University. Sir is just not locally known, but also globally. He is globally renowned niche scholar. Sir has completed his MA in philosophy with distinction, an MPhil and a doctoral degree in philosophy through JRF at Usmania University. Later, with the funding from DAAD, a German agency, he traveled to Germany to undertake research on Nietzsche. At FREE University, Berlin, Professor Sir research was supervised by one of the Frankfurt School's most influential philosophers, Jürgen Habermas, and the German philosopher, Professor Axel Honneth, who currently teaches at both the University of Frankfurt and Columbia University. Though Sir hails from Sicily, Sir has taken the image, the brand image of India, even in Germany. Professor Sir's work continues to demonstrate the importance of Nietzsche to the modern world in relation to Dr. Ambedkar's social and moral philosophy. Among other things, Professor Sir has 40 research papers presented at various national and international seminars and conferences. With years of experience as a teacher of philosophy, Professor Malesh Sir is at present guiding 12 research scholars in addition to those who have already been awarded the PhD. Under his guidance, around 7 PhDs been awarded by Sir. As a passion, he continues to be engaged both at the national and the international level. If being an accompanied scholar is not enough, because of illustrious teaching career, he headed the Department of Philosophy, served as principal, University College of Arts and Social Sciences, Usmania University, during the momentous Telangana struggle from 2012 to 2014. Other significant positions he occupied include the Vice Chairman, Telangana State Council of Higher Education from 2014 to 2017. As a rare combination of intellectual life, Professor Malay Sir continues straddle the world of ideas and the social world, striving to give his best in the light of Dr. Ambedkar's reflection that every man must have a philosophy of life, for everyone must have a stand by his conduct. And philosophy is nothing but a standard yardstick by which to measure. So it's really great to have an intellectual like you for this intellectual property rights as a chief guest. So we welcome you to address this gathering. To you, sir.
Hello, okay. All of you can hear me?
Yeah, sir. We can hear you, sir. It's audible.
Yeah, Dr. Kaur, thank you, Dr. Kaur, for your beautiful introduction about me. Thank you. Very good morning to all of you. Government Degree College for Women, Principal Jagityal, Principal Srinivas Reddy, Government Degree College for Women, Principal Dr. Sri Lakshmi, and Convener Dr. Kaur, Lavanya, resource persons Satyanarayana, Dr. Rajani Devi, Srimati K. Swapna, and all welcome, and I really appreciate and congratulate the organizers, particularly these two colleges, taking a project, which is timely needy. Whole world is talking up, intellectual property right now. We are experienced. Now we are watching. We are participating in a debate. Today's issue is Corona vaccination, right? And vaccination. Bharat Biotech stands first. then Pfizer, there are many Serum, there are many companies. They are with their rights. Vaccine, Bharat Biotech and Serum or Pfizer, once they worked on that, they will have a right, legal right to use that, and nobody will have a right because it's a legally protected. And that is they are sharing with other companies with MOU. They can use, they can allow other companies to use the same formula with agreement. Without agreement, nobody can touch, and that is their right. And intellectual property right always deals with this. And for your information, one of our faculty got patent right. The last week, the research was on diabetic method. So he invented a diabetic method without using animals for experiment. So that is a new thing, and he got a patent right for that. There are many copyrights and trade rights, startup rights, and many rights. All these rights are protected. All these rights are protected by law, and it's a talk of the world now. Not only India, not only some trade. So such an important issue which you have taken up. I once again congratulate you for many more innovative programs like this. Now coming to intellectual property right, this right reminds me of history of the protest demand for the rights. It started, many of you may be familiar with, right issue of the rights started during a period, transition period from medieval to modern in Europe, where they are to fight for rights. A movement called Renaissance. Many of you may be familiar with that Renaissance movement in Europe, where they exclusively fought for rights of using their mind, rights of their creativity, rights of art, rights of many things. So this was not allowed during a medieval period in Europe because it was church centric, church dominated, and many scientists, if you are familiar with the history, European history, many scientists were killed by taking up a research project which they thought may dismantle or debunk the so that was the issue. Anyway, it started with that Renaissance movement. One was we want to use our free mind. We want to use our creativity. We want to use our innovative experiment in science and technology, at least thinking level. So this was not allowed. Now so these rights, when we talk of these rights, and students should also know this. When our whole world is talking about something else, so if students are trained in this, if students got a certificate, they can use their own creativity, training in this particular course. They can use their mind and enter into companies with this knowledge of this course. So intellectual property right is definitely, there is a one more I also advise all the principals and faculty here. See, this course is a part of whether it is online or add-on course. CBCSE of that chance. CBC add-on course you can add. So now you are referring, one of you referred it's for offering for a BCom courses. Now I request you, see part of a CBCSE. Now it is an era of multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary. A BSc student also can do this course. A BS student also can do this course. Not only this course, there are many employable skill-oriented courses, which you can offer as a part of your CBCSE to different faculty under multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary online certificate course or part of that. There are 2 credits, for add-on courses. You are all aware of that. So make use of this. Please think of new, innovative, employable courses for the students. When there's your student, you have a better establishment, good teachers, senior teachers, and you are doing very well. I also request with all that, when the student goes out, he should go with a basic certificate. He should go out with at least 2-3 skill-oriented certificates. Skill-oriented certificate. Then when he goes out with this skill-oriented certificate, searching for employment, searching for using is easy. because you all have, degree college, particularly these two colleges, you all have the very good infrastructure, very good senior teachers. You also help students by introducing these kind of, demand courses, employable courses and demand courses. That is one. Another submission to all established colleges, there are 4 students which are coming with a very good yeah, some
You're audible, sir. You're audible.
yeah. So there are posts, coming to your colleges. When a notification comes, when I was in a state council, I also helped SRR college. I think it took 1.5 hours, giving coaching to the poor students. So you can make use of, even now also you can make use of, not only for coaching group 1, group 2. There are many other, issues which you can take from the council and, introduce short-term courses for them after these courses. So overall, my point is, under CBCSE or out of the CBCSE, you send out the students with a basic certificate, at least 2-3 other skill-oriented certificates. This is my request to all the principals. Please think of this, and I once again appreciate these 2 colleges taking up such an important certificate course, intellectual property rights, which is, I wish, and you should continue these kind of courses in future, and which benefit the students. Thank you one and all. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful messages, and the takeaway from you are, sir, really it's very interesting. Have to make it as an add-on course, and there's a possibility, a light shown by you, sir, that finances would be given from TSCHE, that is Telangana State of Council of Higher Education, for adding some certificate courses. It's really inspiring, sir.
Dr. Kaur, can I?
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah. Funding agency, the council is supposed to fund for all the academic programs is one. And I'm also here, university is also here for any kind of, help from the university. I'm ready, and that is the first preference to you all, particularly the people who are very seriously working, and you are top of the top 10 colleges. You are in the top 10 colleges of the state. So for any kind of innovative program, university is ready to come forward to help, any kind of help, not only financial, any kind of help.
So
Thank you.
kind of you, sir. It's really very motivating factor from you.
Madam.
We have a blessing, a hand.
Thank you for your support, sir.
Especially to develop rural people, rural women. Yes,
sir.
ma'am. Sri Lakshmi.
Sir,
Sri Lakshmi, want to say something?
Sir, we are very thankful to you, sir. Despite being busy schedule, sir, you have given most valuable time that is motivated, enlightened us towards the strengthening of the degree college, sir. And we clearly understood that we are doing more support to strengthen the higher education in our under Shatavana University, sir. We are very thankful to you, sir, and we are very proud of you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sri Lakshmi,
Dr.
ma'am.
Sri Lakshmi would like to say something. Dr. Sri Lakshmi is trying to say something.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sir, thank you for your moral support, sir, and also saying very good words towards our both the colleges, and also sure we implement the suggestions given by you, sir. So we try to add these intellectual property rights not only for commerce students but also for all the other non-commerce students also. Again,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Just let me add one point here, sir. We have already have registration of this course. So we have a culmination of arts, science and commerce students of all the semesters. Yes, sir. And around 70 have already joined, and we said that we'll limit to 60 like that. But the aspirations among our students is trying us to just some admissions more. So we'll look into it, sir. so designed as per the IGNOU University and the Law University in Alsar and some of the universities we have taken up and sat together, brainstormed and came up with a syllabus. So that's what I just want to say, and we'll definitely see that we come with some disciplinary courses or add-on courses. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, apart from this, I just want to add that both the colleges are working on the 7 criteria to their fullest energy, sir, whether it is curriculum aspects or it is teaching, learning or evaluation or research, consultancy or extension or infrastructure and learning resources, or when you come to student support and whatever the progression through online, they are doing wonderful job. Sir. And when we look into governance, leadership and management, the vision, the mission and the objectives are so framed, especially to the rural women, that they are working hard towards getting it. And the objectives are also really, we want women to be employable, not just locally, but trying to go globally, even through TSKC process. We are looking into institutional values and best practices also. Each college, GDCs, they have their own best practices and we share among others. And then we have an IQAC working for all these 7 criteria of the NAC to get good accreditation among all the, especially in Telangana state. So I just want to add to it, and as an IQAC, we have faculty development program, not just the faculty exchanging their topics or disciplines within the college, but inter-exchange faculty programs. So as such, we are moving and we look forward for your blessing and always, sir, financially, mentally, physically, and always, as always. And as a course coordinator, I, from deep my heart, I thank you for accepting as a chief guest for this inaugural function. Thank you very much, sir. Now I would request the Vice Principal of our college.
Can I leave now?
Oh, sir, it's your will. No, but thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Now I would like the Vice Principal of our college, Dr. Masroor Sultana Madam, to please deliver a message to the students and the participants here.
Thank you, Madam. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Honorable Chief Guest of today's inaugural session, Professor S. Mallesh, sir, Vice Chancellor of Satavahana University, Karimnagar, respected Principal of Government Degree College for Women, Karimnagar, Dr. T. Sri Lakshmi, ma'am, Principal of All College for Women, Jagtial, Sri M. Srinivas Reddy, sir, IKC Coordinator, Dr. Harjot Kaur, ma'am, who is also Coordinator of EDP and Assistant Professor of Commerce. Dr. T. Lavanya, ma'am, in charge Department of Commerce, GDC Women's Karimnagar, all resource persons, participants, and my dear students, good morning, everybody, and warm welcome to this program. On behalf of GDC Women's Jagtial and on my own behalf, first of all, I wish to congratulate the Professor S. Mallesh, sir, for being chaired as Vice of Satavahana University. And from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation to address the gathering of online certificate course on IPR organized by GDC Women's Jagtial and Karimnagar together. We are honored to have you with us, sir, despite of your busy schedule. And thank you very much for your motivational speech, sir, your suggestions, sir. Thank you very much. I congratulate the Department of Commerce of both the colleges, and special thanks to Sri Lakshmi, ma'am, Dynamic Principal of GDC Women's Karimnagar, for her support and cooperation. Ma'am, we expect your kind cooperation in future too. And my dear students, remember one RPG are not enough in this highly competitive and rapidly upgrading world. Each and every must and should have some extra qualities like depth and knowledge of the subject, research papers, published papers, practical knowledge in the form of certificate courses. With this solid, polished, and strong resume only, you can face the future challenge. Strive to differentiate yourselves from other professionals by participating in these type of activities. It is a golden opportunity for you. Utilize it. It's a very useful course. Take it seriously. Take the classes regularly. Definitely, this course will benefit you and will increase your confidence level. So go ahead. All the best for your future endeavor. And thank you. Thank you very much. And over to Carmen.
Thank you very much, madam, for those inspiring words. We will definitely look that this course will run very successfully with cooperation of Government for Women Karimnagar. Thank you very much, ma'am. I feel it a great pleasure to invite my friend Dr. T. Lavanya, ma'am, the in charge Department of Commerce, Government in Karimnagar, to address the gathering.
A very good morning to all dignitaries, guests, and participants. Myself, Dr. Lavanya, Assistant Professor of Commerce, in charge Department of Commerce, and EDC convener, Dr. Karimnagar. I am welcome to all presented over here for today's inaugural online certificate course on intellectual property rights for 15 days. Under the prime leadership of our principal, T. Srilakshmi Garu, we are offering BCom course, computers applications, and MCom courses in our college. Our college is one of the best, and we have a strength of 600 girl students for BCom. We have a staff of 7 members over here, and the students of our college join from various different districts in our state. The students of this college participate in various curricular, co-curricular, and extracurricular activities, and they have bagged many prizes conducted in various activities. And we are very proud of our students that our student Supriya has bagged the first prize voting competition, which was conducted by the Election Commission of India, District Collector, the then Sri Sarfaraj Ahmed Garu, IAS, and she has received a cash prize of 5 rupees, and her poster was presented throughout the 2019 elections. And recently we have conducted for computers, and one is from computers and other from commerce. And the course which we have conducted is other than our students, that is the housewives or other women that is who want to learn MS Office course to our college. So that was one of our special course which was designed for women on computers. And now I thank on behalf of my Government Degree College for Women, Sri M. Srinivas Reddy sir, Harjot Kaur ma'am, and all the dignitaries for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Lavanya, madam. And we wish that your department would reach the greatest heights under your leadership as in charge of the department. Thank you. Now, I just want to tell all the participants regarding the course. As you all know, it is on intellectual property rights, and we have already sent the registration link, and as much as 70 students of both the colleges have joined it, and we are supposed to make a WhatsApp group for this, and all the resource persons and the students in that particular group would be given a link, and as per the convenient time of the resource person, they would be taking classes on the course syllabus, which is designed by taking many things into consideration from different universities, from the online portal. And we have intellectual property rights, its history and origin, and need and awareness program that would be taken by M. Satyaprakasa, the in charge of political science. Likewise, we have divided among all the other resource persons, myself, Dr. T. Lavanya ma'am, Satyaprakasa, Satyanarayana sir, and Dr. B. Rajini and J. Swapna. The topics like patents, copyrights, designs, geographical indications, and not just theoretical part is dealt. We are going to have a case study as well. So we want the theory to be applied by the people, by the students especially, so that if any problem arises of copyright, how they have to cope up with it. So as such, case studies are also been undertaken. So at the end of the course, but it is actually a course of 30 days. So we have divided it into 15 days for 2 hours duration. It is 30 days before we have decided that it should be for 1 hour. Many of you have told that it will go for 15 days, 2 hours duration. So we will be completing it by 30th June of 2020. Our first class will start onwards, and immediately when the WhatsApp group is being forwarded to our link, and sir would be taking the first class possibly in the evening today, because we had an inaugural session and other online classes being run, the academics of the universities and the colleges are running. Therefore, we look into it, and it will be taken. Now, at the end of the course, an online test would be conducted of 90 marks, and an assignment, that is a case study, would be given to the students to resolve it. For that, 10 marks would be voided. And all these things are done online, because seeing the pandemic, the cases being increasing, decreasing, and fluctuating as well. So we thought we rather we go for online. So therefore, online tests would be conducted, and all the successful would be awarded certificates, virtual certificates in the validatory function, most probably by one of the familiar personality of Chatawam University. So therefore, we look forward for the cooperation of all of you so that we make this course a successful one. So now I would like the Prakash sir to propose vote of thanks.
On behalf of, Madam, are you hearing my words?
Yes, it's audible.
Okay. On behalf of JDC Women, Jagitya, and Government Degree College, Karimnagar, I take this opportunity to propose vote of thanks to this inaugural session of online certificate course on intellectual property rights organized by the IQAC and the Department of Commerce, JDC Women, Jagitya, in association with Department of Commerce, JDC Women, Karimnagar. At this outset, we are very thankful Chief Guest, Honorable Professor Malesh, Vice Chancellor of Shatavahana University, Karimnagar. Honorable presence made this session very humble and dignified. I would like to thank our principals, Dr. Sri Lakshmi Garu, JDC Women, Karimnagar, and Sri M. Srinivas Reddy Garu, JDC Women, Jagitya, for their motivation and enthusiastic support. Our heartfelt thanks to course coordinator, Dr. Harjot Kaur Madam, and Dr. T. Lavanya Madam, in charge Department of Commerce, JDC Women, Karimnagar, and the resource persons of the certificate course, students, participants, and organizing committee. With these warm words, we move to end today's session. Thank you.
Thank you, Satyaprakash sir. So that was a formal proposing vote of thanks. So I really appreciate. This is the attitude of all the GDCs we are in Telangana, the gratituding each other's efforts so relentlessly and so happily. Thank you, sir. So formally, we'll continue the session, and thank you one and all for participating wholeheartedly, sparing your precious time with us. Thank you.
Thank you, Harjot madam.
Thank you, Rajni madam. Thank you.
Congratulations, Kaur Madam Garu.
Thank you, sir. Padala Sri Tirupati sir, we need your assistance always and cooperation.
So you are the role model and inspired in Government Degree College for Women, Jagityal, Madam.
Thank you, sir. You too. One
For
another.
organizing such a wonderful programs and a contemporary issue-based training program here is a
Thank
new
you, thank
and
you.
ever new, and it's very, very important regarding of this pandemic situation. It is very useful for improving our new brand image and also protect our regional products.
Yeah.
And this is very, very important and useful to students and youth, especially skilled youth is very, very useful for this program, madam. Thank you very much, and also congratulate the
నేను చూసే
both
కంటే ఆమె
colleges,
చూస్తే
and
బాగుంటది.
especially thanks to the head of the institutions, both the head of the institutions, Government Degree College for Women, Karimnagar, respected Dr. Sri Lakshmi Madam Garu, and Government Degree College for Women, Jagityal, respected Sri Mallaram Srinivas Reddy Garu. Wholeheartedly thankful to you for your kind support and encourage to conduct such a wonderful programs and also workshops, certificate course, and even though national online quizzes, we are wholeheartedly thankful to you. We seek your continuation, your support for conducting this national online programs. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Kaur Madam Garu, over to you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, Tirupati sir. Thank you. If anyone wants to say like anything about colleges or the curriculum, how we can improve, how we can motivate ourselves. Yeah, Rajni madam, I can hear you some. Unmute yourself, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, madam.
Yes.
Good
tell
morning,
me, madam.
all of you.
Good morning.
That is
Yeah.
isn't it?
15 days, 30 hours.
Okay. Every day one lecture.
Yes. Every day one lecture.
Uh,
I have divided the syllabus and I have already yesterday. Just go through it. I know you are busy with some other academic assignment assigned. Busy.
Okay, no problem, madam.
Yeah.
అయితే మా దగ్గర కూడా లెక్చర్స్ లెక్చరర్స్ వాళ్ళు కూడా తీసుకుంటామన్నారు. మీరు టాపిక్స్ డివైడ్ చేసి ఇవ్వండి.
పని చేయొచ్చు మనము. కాపీ రైట్ అనేది ఉంది. ఇట్ టేక్స్ సమ్ 7 to 8 hours. So what you do is leader is you divide if any other is interested and just let me know so that I can introduce to the group and then they can take the class. That would be a better idea.
Okay.
Yes, good. Any more?
ఎందుకంటే మనం డివైడ్ చేసుకొని టాపిక్స్ తీసుకుంటే రోజు అవుతుంది.
టాపిక్ అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఇలా ఉన్నాయి కదా, దానికి మనం డివైడ్ చేసుకుని we can do it.
మన పెద్దన్న కూడా ఒక క్లాస్ చెప్పాలి.
కంపల్సరీ 1 class for 15 days.
శ్రీనివాస్ సార్,
I can hear others. Swapna madam and yes. You were saying we'll go with. Okay.
ఇంకా వేరే కాలేజ్ వాళ్ళని కూడా రిసోర్స్ పర్సన్ తీసుకోవచ్చా?
We'll plan for some other day. They are interested.
Okay.
In case they have to complete the syllabus which we have given in course highlights. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నదంటే ఇంకా మంచిది కదా, మనకు మన పిల్లలు బెనిఫిట్ అవుతారు.
చెప్తారు
Okay.
సతీష్ సార్ అయినా మన మల్లారెడ్డి సార్ అయినా కొంతమంది ఉన్నారు కదా ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్, వాళ్ళతో చెప్పించుకుందాం ఒక 2-3 క్లాసులు.
Okay. Okay.
హరికాంత్ సార్, తిరుపతి సార్ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్, అడిగితే
Okay.
చెప్తారు.
Okay.
యువర్ విష్.
Yeah. We'll see to it, huh?
అంటే 30 hours కదా, మనం కొంచెం ఫ్రీగా కూడా ఉంటాము. కొందరికి డివైడ్ చేస్తే మంచిగా అందరూ లెక్చరర్స్ కూడా పరిచయం అవుతారు పిల్లలకు.
If all the participants are okay, then I'll end the meeting so that I can take my online class. Thank you. Thank you for
Okay. Once again, congratulations, Kaur Madam.
Thank
And
you.
also congratulations to Principal Srinivas Reddy Garu for actively participating in all the online programs, etc. For you are preparing groundwork for a NAC.
Yes.
So I wish you all the best for a good result and a good score.
Thank
Okay?
you, ma'am. And I need your assistance at every step, madam. As you always
Sure.
do.
So let us collaborate in future also.
Yes, definitely, madam. Definitely will come out with such programs. Thank you, madam. Meeting, madam.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
From my side, it is done.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much.